Hello guys, this is Tota Leenut Allisima here from CrapOS development team, which doesn't have a name even though we've been around for more than a decade. Anyways, as you can see, this is CrapOS X, but it looks a bit ugly. It just looks so flat and ugly. Well, today we are installing CrapOS Legari Beta. This is actually beta version 1.1. What happened to beta 1.0, I'll explain that later, but beautiful yet crap. So you can install the beta, or you can see what to know before installing. We'll just go ahead and install here. So goodbye crappy CrapOS X, ugly. And here we are at CrapOS Legari Beta. Please note that as this is beta software, many elements are subject to change and there may be some bugs. Please report any suggestions or problems by emailing us at stealmyidentity@bungybuddy.info. And by problems we mean if the operating system is too good to be crappy, because obviously our goal is to make a crappy OS, not to make a good OS like those companies like Microsoft and Apple and crap. Have a crappy time using CrapOS X Legari. I keep saying CrapOS X Legari because I don't know why I keep saying CrapOS X Legari. I don't know why. It's just that I have to get used to calling CrapOS Legari instead of CrapOS X Legari or whatever. Let's continue and let's enter my information. So fake name, nice try spammers at melanator.com, 69 Fort Way, Northwest Hallam, Michigan, 420-66-6969, credit card number because I can. I entered all fake information because I was too lazy to enter in my real information. But as you can see, I'm a really fast typer. Continue. And enter in my product key. I am one of the fastest product key typers in the world. Look how quickly I typed it. Aren't I so quick? Continue. So it's checking my product key for validation, and for some reason the continue button disappeared. We'll fix that in other releases, the other betas. Okay, my product key is valid, so it's going to start installing now. And while it's installing, I'm just going to tell you what happened with CrapOS Legari Beta 1.0. So what happened was, it had the same level of stability as CrapOS X, which couldn't even load the default Crap Media Powerhouse layout. I don't know why we even made that layout anyways, but so what happened was the interface was too complex for it to load. So only a split second after loading the startup screen, it crashed, and we even made the crash screen too graphical for it to handle. So it crashed after displaying the crash screen, which of course leads to an endless cycle of crash screens, which set our computer on fire. And so we went ahead and made it at least 5% usable by actually making it more stable, which was a pain in the butt. We didn't want to make it more stable because not only was it hard, but we're supposed to be crappy. But now this is beta 1.1, and it's far more stable than beta 1.0, which was an absolute disaster. This is CrapOS Legari. So it didn't crash there because this is beta 1.1, not beta 1.0. And it's loading. And once it starts up for the first time, you have to enter in your account information. You have to create accounts, and you can make multiple accounts if you want to. But I only have one account here, so Allisima, because that's my last name. Powerpuff Girls Rule, because I like that show. Continue. Continue. The button doesn't work. The button doesn't really work well, but we can just get it over there. So Allisima, we can do this. Powerpuff Girls Rule. And that's my password, and we can so as you can see, we have a really cool startup animation, very similar to the one found in CrapOS 2016 edition, but it's not as cool because we only have 4 apps in the application center. Yes, we brought back the application center from Little Bill OS because we really liked it. We really liked the idea of the application center, so we brought it back. So let's open up the My Files app, and right off the bat you can see that running applications will appear on the taskbar again, just like a Little Bill OS, and also you can see how beautiful this OS looks. Just look at it; it's so beautiful. So CrapOS Legari is basically like the Windows Vista of CrapOS. Then again, Franken OS was also like the Windows Vista of CrapOS, but whatever. We have the settings and the My Files button here, and then the power button. We have power button instead of 3 power buttons, and a clock, because no one can live without a clock. And we have my media, my documents, and UI components. Let's open that up. So this is what the UI components app looks like. It is basically all the components of the user interface of Legari. So we have text here, door ipsum door temet, and then we have button and disabled button, checkboxes, loading icon that's not spinning for some reason, and a text field, a loading bar, a scroll bar, and a slider. So that's all we have. That is all of the UI components we have for now. I don't think we're going to add more because we're too lazy to add more. But anyways, we can actually minimize apps. And well, let's drag windows. Oh, we can't actually drag windows. I remember now because we figured that the OS would be too unstable to handle window dragging. So we just put that arrow after a user tries to drag a window. So we can actually right click on a button on the taskbar, and this is like Windows. You can like right click it and it shows a menu of things you can do. Right now it's only close, so we can close it. And yeah, so we can close that on my files, and then we can shut down. As you can see, we have this nice little shutdown menu here. Shut down, sleep, log off, lock. We forgot to add the restart button, but we figured people wouldn't be that lazy, so you could just shut down and then turn on the computer again. It's not that hard, so shut down. So it's shutting down. Again, we have a nice animation there. So what we're going to do is switch to beta 1.2. We're doing two versions at once. So this is beta 1.2. We skipped the installation for you because it's the exact same thing as the other installation in beta 1.1. So it's loading again. And oh yeah, we still have to set up my account. This is the same information from last time. Okay, continue. The button still doesn't work for some reason. We're definitely going to be fixing that in CrapOS beta 1.3, so wait for that. And Allisima, password, enter. So this is the desktop. Oh yeah, we added a balloon system, and we also added a tour. So I'm just going to demonstrate what happens when the user tries to click out, because the balloon, all the balloon does is annoy you with software updates, and it also shoves the tour down your throat. So we'll just try. It says take the tour now. You can close out of it, but it won't work because when we hover over it, it just does that. So take the tour now. So we have no choice but to take the tour now, and we're probably going to add a balloon sound effect soon in beta 1.3, but let's take the tour now. CrapOS Legari tour. Welcome to the CrapOS Legari. Oh yeah, we spelled Legari wrong for some reason. We'll fix that in beta 1.3. And let's see what happens when we try to click out of it. No, we can't click out of it because the X button disappears, which is really weird. But when we click something else, it just reappears for some reason. We'll also fix that in beta 1.3, but click to play.
Welcome to
CrapOS Legari. CrapOS.
the new version
CrapOS.
that brings your PC to
Death.
experience the
Worst.
experience.
Yeah, we're very proud of that. Well, yeah, we're very proud of that tour, but the media player stopped working, and we automatically made it so that whenever that happens, the tour automatically ends. So thanks for taking the Legari tour, and I don't know why that error sound still plays, but we're gonna fix it in beta 1.3. I keep saying that. But again, to demonstrate, let's open the My Files app again, and UI components. Let's minimize it. And actually, in beta 1.2, we added something really cool. It's not quite window dragging, but it's very similar to that. When you actually middle click a window, you can middle click and then click somewhere else, and then click again, and it brings the window to that location. And so yeah, so let's middle click and left click, click again. So we think that's pretty cool, even though it's not quite window dragging. Again, the system is too unstable to handle window dragging, but it's more like window teleporting, kind of. And so yeah, so that's that. And again, we can right click and then close, and then we can close out of my files, and then again we can shut down. So that was CrapOS Legari Beta 1.2. Expect Beta 1.3 coming very soon. And goodbye. Hello guys, this is Tota Leenut Allisima here, and today we are doing a demo of CrapOS Legari Beta 1.3.1. If you're wondering why we're not demoing Beta 1.3, that's because Beta 1.3.1 is basically Beta 1.3 but with one thing changed. I know that's pretty stupid, but still. So again, set up my account like we have to do in every single demo. So care. And as you can see, we added a power button on the login screen so you can actually shut down the computer even when you just booted it up, which is very stupid, but whatever. Enter. And it disappears when it loads. So remember the balloon in Beta 1.2? Well, it has a sound now. It's a bit annoying, but whatever. It's CrapOS. Everything is annoying in CrapOS. So again, let's demonstrate what happens when we try to exit out. Take the tool now, and we hover over it. It's gone. So we have to click it. So welcome to the CrapOS Legari tour. This is a tour.
Welcome to
CrapOS Legari. CrapOS.
the new version
CrapOS.
that brings your PC to
Death.
experience the
Worst.
experience.
Yeah, the media player just stopped working. Yeah, the media player stopped working. And by the way, you notice that we added a kind of like improvement to Crap Media Player. It's now 1.1 and it has a little kind of interface, kind of. And now it stopped working. And the tour is over now, so I guess that was that. And then again, we can demonstrate. Go to the My Files app and then do our components. We can minimize that. And then we can again use the dragging feature. And then that. Yes, just demonstrate. Right click, close, and then close out of that. And actually, instead of shutting down, first we're going to log off to demonstrate the new sound effect we added. We're part of that sound effect we just added. And so again with the power button, so we can click on the power button, and then we can shut down. And that was CrapOS Beta 1.3. That was Beta 1.3.1 of CrapOS Legari. And we've noticed that this OS isn't crappy enough. It has to be very crappy, and it's not crappy enough. So with Beta 1.4, we will make vast improvements in the crappiness of CrapOS Legari. And so Beta 1.4 is going to be crappier than any other beta version or any other version of CrapOS Legari. So stay tuned for Beta 1.4, and goodbye. Hello guys, it's Tota Leenut Allisima here, and sorry it has been forever since the last video on the Crap OS DT2 channel, but we are finally back, and this is actually Windows Poop Edition. I bet you were expecting Crap OS Legari, but no, this is Windows Poop Edition. This is actually Beta 1.0. This is our first beta ever. And continue. Oh, thank you for setting up Windows. Okay. Send to the desktop. Here we go. So as you can see, or should I say as you can hear, that startup sound is very similar to the CrapOS Legari startup sound, but it's a lot crappier. But anyways, we have this nice taskbar. It's very similar to the Windows Crap Edition 11. I mean, it's nothing, absolutely nothing like the Windows Crap Edition 11 taskbar. I mean, you have your icons, you have your start button, of course, you can live without that. And we have this nice color, and we have the internet, and your wireless, and your battery, and the clock. Let's see what time it is. Oh no, Windows cannot detect the time. Oh god, do not reset the universe or whatever. Okay, it was too late to reset the universe. That's a good thing. But so how much battery do we have? Battery 0%. Estimated battery life 1.4 milliseconds. Should be dead by now. Why would I have a battery? This is a desktop computer. Anyways, we also have wireless. What? No. Okay, just grounded me from the internet, but it's ungrounded me right after. So we have our nice desktop here, and we're gonna go to the start menu, and you can open and close it. Open, close. This is fun to do, and we can go to Microsoft Office. So this is our version of Office. I don't know why the Word icon is so low quality. I don't know. Don't ask why that is the case. But anyways, let's go to Word. Just gonna type all day. Do something better with your life. Okay. Excel. Look at a bunch of squares all day. Oh crap. So I use Outlook. I gotta check my mail. Before you can use Outlook, we need your email address. Okay. Failed to detect the keyboard. But I have a keyboard right here. But whatever. Would you like Windows to auto enter your email address? Sure, I guess. That's not my email, but you're not close enough. Oh, it said my email to spammers. No, that wasn't my email really, but you know, whatever. It's really PowerPoint. Yes, this is the only one that works. It's PowerPoint. Here you can play with shapes. Yes, not sure again. Oh, insufficient memory. Of course, insufficient memory. Okay, continue. And we have this nice interface here. You can add slides, or you can create shapes. We have rectangles. You can select it, and we can even change the color. Change the color of the rectangle. We can change it to blue or yellow, or green or yellow. But yeah, or back to red. Or, you know, red, and we can delete it. Okay, that's a bug. It's actually a bug. Gotta fix all these bugs, but you know, you can deselect it. You can select it again. Then we can. Yep, it's very buggy. A lot of the features bring you back to the beginning screen. We don't know why that happens, but we'll fix it or not because we're lazy. And anyways, we can create a circle, and we can for some reason we can't select it. Whatever. Oh, it just selects an object. It just delete the object for some reason. Yeah, you can do lots of fun stuff. We can change the outline color. Yeah, actually, PowerPoint crashes when you try to use a feature that we were too lazy to implement. So close out that, and so the only thing left is the media center. We're going to add loads more applications soon. So nice little glowing animation. Doesn't love that. And this is a very basic interface. We have TV, movies, music. We are working on the pictures and games. Those aren't quite developed yet, but let's go to the music to see what we have. Yes, these are the 3 songs that come bundled with CrapOS. No, not CrapOS. Windows Poop Edition. So you can kind of like our version of Cover Flow, except without the cool animation. You have to like click through. You just scroll through a song to select the one you want. I'm gonna pick this one because it's this super hip song everyone's all the cool kids are talking about. And let's play. And then inspect the liquid. Okay, it obviously crashed. Let's go back to that. And it's cool animation, yes. No way to skip these animations at the. Okay, let's go to TV and movies. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah, it crashed again. So that's just about all we have for this version of Windows Poop Edition. We're going to add more in beta 1.2, so stay tuned for that, and goodbye. Hello guys, this is Tota Leenut Allisima here, and today we are doing a demo of Windows Poop Edition 1.1. So our last beta of Windows Poop Edition was 2 weeks ago, and our last version of Legari was 2 months ago. And don't ask what happened to CrapOS Legari. I don't even know myself. I don't know why it suddenly disappeared into nothingness. But anyways, let's just continue. Oh yeah, I forgot the setup was so short. Yeah, so this is the desktop. As you know, you have your stuff here. You can click on all this. And of course, you have this beautiful start button. And if you notice, there's a little animation there. And yeah, so we have all these nice programs, and you may notice the only thing we added, the only thing we really added in Windows Home Edition Beta 1.1, that's a mouthful, is Internet Explorer A. Of course, you cannot have an operating system without an internet browser. So Internet Explorer A is our version of Internet Explorer, and it is incredible. Not really, of course, but still. So this is what Internet Explorer A looks like. So it automatically opens a new tab, obviously. Why would you want to? And you have a search bar. Okay, so Windows failed to detect the keyboard. We don't want to do that. Apparently it's a glitch. It automatically opened a new tab. Of course, our software is very glitchy. You can open a new tab with this little button here, but we didn't need to do that. And there's no way to close out of tabs for some reason. But why would you want to do that? You can switch between these tabs. You can go to CrapOS website. You're going to his memory is too memory intensive. Okay, so it automatically closes the tab because this is such a memory intensive website. And oh, apparently the last person who used this computer forgot to log off. Well, that's okay. So apparently we logged into the account of Sal Ed, who has 6 followers and is following 9 people. And this is Crap Chat. And as you can see, it actually says CrapOS down here now. We fixed that little issue in CrapOS X, and now so this is CrapHub. It looks pretty much the same as it did in CrapOS X, but there's actually now a sign out button. It's the only thing that's really changed. I think. Yeah. Okay. So you have Crap Chat right here. You can go to Seymour Butts or Oliver Butts, and you could chat with them. Oh, of course now, because again, Windows cannot detect the keyboard, so you can throw that clunky piece of crap in the garbage at this point. You can also do that, and you can use CrapOS, and again, it won't work. You can try to search, or it won't work. Or you can try this. Oh wait, that doesn't work for some reason. Forgot to add that. But you can also invite people. Oh yeah, of course it doesn't work. You can try to do that, but it won't work either. And of course you have these websites that you can go to, like YouTube. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we have this new plugin called Web Censor. It censors the web, and what it does is, well, it censors the web, and it blocks everything that's inappropriate. Now, YouTube is a very, very bad site. If you're like 9 years old, you shouldn't be on that site. That hasn't stopped little kids from being on the site though. You know, Five Nights at Freddy's fanboys and all that. But we have YouTube, and you can see we have back and forward arrows. So you can see the forward arrow doesn't work, but the back one does. Not sure why the forward arrow one doesn't work. We tried to make it work, but we couldn't for some reason. You also go to Twitter, but it's blocked. You can try to go to Skype, but it's also blocked. You can go to Crapmail. Well, that's not blocked, but apparently it's not, doesn't exist. What happened to Crapmail? It worked fine on CrapOS X. I don't know what happened to that, but that's okay. We can just close out of that. That's really all we added. We also added I forgot to mention, we also added a shutdown functionality, which will add a shutdown functionality. So when you press this power button, it just shuts down, and it shows this shutdown screen. And I don't know why that happened. That's a bug we forgot to fix. We don't really test our operating systems that much, but it's a bug we forgot to fix here. But you know, it's okay. It doesn't really matter. It just brings you back to this. And it brings you back to the setup for some reason. I don't know why that happened. Still go back to it, I guess. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, there's also a new startup animation that we added. I forgot to mention that, I think. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. We're working on adding more shutdown options, like restart and sleep. But for now, we just have that. So yeah. So that was Windows Poop Edition 1.1, beta 1.1. And goodbye. Hello guys, this is Tota Leenut Allisima here to demo Windows Poop Edition beta of 1.2. This beta only took 5 days to complete, but we are still excited for it for some reason, I don't know. They're really short setup, and here we go. So of course, like we always do, we go to the start menu, and then it's a new program, but we'll get to that later. But first, we go to the media center, and there's a glowing logo, and so TV, movies, and music are the same, but we added pictures. Well, we didn't. We thought pictures were too boring to put in, so we just got rid of that. And then, but the thing that does work is games. So we basically completed the media center, kind of, maybe, who knows. But so you have yours craft, Five Nights at Freddy's, and Overtale, and then here's yours craft. We're gonna try that first, and here we have the Mojang logo, and I don't know what this code means, but it crashed, unfortunately, or it performed an illegal operation. I think that illegal operation was delete the graphics, but so if we go to Five Nights at Freddy's, let's actually this game is loading again, and Vinny was too scared to load the jump scares. What babies? Okay, the last one is Overtale. Oh, couldn't even find it. Okay, well, so now we added an exit button, so you can exit out of it without having to crash it. So now we are going to. Well, first of all, we had this menu here. You could sleep it, but we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna restart or shut down because we have to check out Art Desk. The link doesn't work. Hold on. I need to try to figure this out. I need to like hack into the registry or whatever to get into the program. So I'll be back with you when that happens. Okay, so I am back with Art Desk and nice logo here. Let's start here. Oh my god! Oh what? Oh my god! I don't know what happened, but booting. It can't be starting. It's what is this? What is this? How come nobody told me about this? Welcome to Windows Poop Edition, but is this like an old version or something? Oh my god, it's like an old version of it. It's only like 5 colors, so it has to be a really old version with like binary color or whatever. Let's try start menu. Oh my god, I don't, what is this all about? Okay. So, I don't know what that was. That was really weird, but, we are definitely going to fix that, in beta 1.3. Yeah, stay tuned for beta 1.3, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Oh my god. I don't even know what the hell happened there. Hello guys, this is Tota Leenut Allisima here, and we are here with a demo of Windows Poop Edition 2.0. At least that's what I think it is. It looks like it's Windows Poop Edition. I mean, it says Windows Poop Edition, so I'm assuming that it's Windows Poop Edition. So this looks like Windows Poop Edition 2.0. So, this looks like Windows Poop Edition 2.0, so I'm just going to assume that it's Windows Poop Edition 2.0, and it's taking a while to load. And, here is our, desktop thing. Looks like a desktop. Oh, what's this? Okay, I guess it'll load the desktop and then just brings us to the setup. Let's enter in our username. Oh, just does it automatically for us. That's nice. Password. I don't want people to see my password. Oh, it doesn't matter. Age, 20. I'm not really 20. I don't even know how old I am. When you got Ooh, I have a lot of money. I don't even think that's a real number, but I guess it is now. Okay, now it's just loading. Okay, it's just loading. We gotta wait for this setup. I'm not quite sure if this is actually Windows Poop Edition, the Windows Poop Edition redeveloped, but it looks like it. It says Windows Poop Edition, so I'm pretty sure that it's Windows Poop Edition. It worked, yay! Next. Now ready to use this operating system. That's nice. Ooh, no, not an antivirus. That's great. Where's this triangle do? I don't think it does anything. Let's see. Internet Explorer. So the site. The only website. Okay, let's go to the error. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. I don't think this internet browser's broken, so let's go to games. Okay, it looks like the only game is Cake Simulator 2018. Wow. It's futuristic, ain't it? But Cake Simulator. Okay, click. Oh, we're eating the cake. I didn't even eat the entire cake, but let's play again. This game's fun. This is the funnest game of the year. Maybe the funniest game of the funnest game of the decade. Maybe even of all time. This is boring. I'm gonna say no to play again. Sonic Galaxy, what is this? A game gives the PC nightmares. Well, it gives me nightmares too. Okay. Well, click. Okay. Okay, that was weird. Roton antivirus. Settings. I don't think we can change any settings. Computer is failing normal. Okay, normal. Welcome back. Please, if your computer is in a bad mood, click scan to scan your computer and remove malware, viruses, fix hard drives, and more in only one click. Click scan. Now it's scanning. It's loading bar. See what it does here. Done. Okay, that's good. Yeah, let's close out of this. And, videos. MS Sam's Adventure. I don't know how this got there either. Looks like it doesn't work, so let's click on the start menu. Why did the triangle change? Let's see if we can click it, so... What is this thing? I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's not Green of Time, apparently. I never played that game, so I didn't know. Songs available. 1. Song of Errors. See how nice the song is. I did not just do that. Oh, yes, I did. Oh, this is a nice song. I like the song. It's a very catchy song. I really like it. Okay, guys, are you sure this is Windows Poop Edition? It doesn't look like it. Are you sure this is Windows Poop Edition? Okay. Okay, so my assistant told me that this is Windows Poop Edition. So I guess it is. Even though I'm a bit concerned. What is this? Uh-oh. What's this? Is this supposed to be happening? Uh-oh. Poor error. The system found a critical virus that damaged your computer. It was very serious, and there's nothing you can do about it. If you start, you'll just come across the screen again. Please buy another PC and make sure to take better care of it. Error code. Bunch of numbers, dashes, underscores. Whatever this is, restart. Huh? Is it loading? I thought my PC was broken forever. Oh, it's loading again. Is this gonna... It said it would bring me back to that screen, but maybe it's actually loading? Or is it gonna bring me back to that screen again? Okay, Okay, guys, are you really sure that this is the Windows Poop Edition that we've developed? I don't even remember working on this Windows Poop Edition 2.0. Okay, looks like it's actually working again. You can enter in all the information. And that setup was innocent for some reason. I guess it lied. The operating system, our computer still works. It's a little screen light. Okay, so I guess that's all I can do with this operating system. So, thanks for. Okay, now I'm positive positively sure. Don't worry, I'm positively sure that this is Windows Poop Edition 2.0, the Windows Poop Edition that we've developed. I think this is the Windows Poop Edition that we've developed, not some other weird Windows Poop Edition that we've never heard of before. Not some other weird Windows Poop Edition that has nothing to do with our version. Yeah, that's it for this demo of Windows Poop Edition 2.0. April Fools! You didn't fall for that, did you? I mean, you looked at the date. It was clearly April 1st, right? You clearly knew that it was April 1st, so you knew that this was a prank. See, I don't even know why people bother doing April Fool's pranks anymore when it's so obvious that it's April Fool's. It's not even... Ugh. Anyway, bye, I guess. Hello guys, this is Tota Leenut Allisima here, and I am so sorry. We were supposed to get this demo out a long time ago, but the reason that didn't happen until today is because we lost our only microphone that we used to make our demos, and now we have recently retrieved it, so that's very good. So now we can finally do this demo after so long. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Anyways, let's do the setup. Let's set up. And we have that beautiful setup, startup sound, and yeah, and yes, we did add a start menu button for our desk, and by the way, this version aims on fixing things that didn't work in beta 1.2. Don't ask why it took so long for us to make this beta when it really shouldn't have, when it was just fixing things. It really should not have been that long. But wait. Now we are finally doing this demo after like I think it might be 4 months since we last did this. Anyways, enough saying how long it's been. Now let's go to this game here, and yes, one thing we did was we managed to fix Craft. It's really a game that actually works now. We can play it, then it shows the logo, and then we have the actual game. It's called Craft, of course, as I said before. Oh, we failed to connect to the internet. That's failed to load settings. Oh, let's just change the language. Okay, whatever that was. I don't even know what that was. Okay, so I guess the only thing that works is single player. So we can play something. Oh no, of course. Yeah, I'm so stupid. Let's go create new world and wait. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. I forgot. It's because we thought that the lack of keyboard support was a problem with the actual what is it, kernel that this OS is based on, but turns out it was a fault of the actual apps, not the actual OS or the kernel or whatever. So we managed to get the keyboard support working on yours Craft. We're too lazy to make it work on any other apps, so deal with it. We're just gonna call this world Crappy World, I guess. I don't know. I don't really know what to call this. You can change it between survival and creative. I'm just gonna do creative since I'm such a coward. No, I'll do survival since I'm not a coward. I can't believe I said that. So then we have our name here, the name of our world. That was very extensive and painstaking programming just to do that. So now let's play our world. Looks like that doesn't work. We thought it would actually work, but apparently it doesn't. Well, we're too lazy to fix that. I think we developed enough. I think we fixed enough of this app. I think we fixed enough of yours Craft. So now let's close out of that. And now the other app we fixed is Art Desk. Not only did we add an actual button in the start menu to it, like we forgot to last time, But we also fixed it so that it won't crash. There, see, it doesn't clash. So let's go to the image editor. Now you have all your tools here. Yeah, we're too lazy to implement more than 2 tools for some reason. Yeah, we don't know why we're so lazy to do that. Okay, so you can change your tools here and stuff. Okay, now, yeah, so let's see here. This is fun to do. Let's actually draw. And what the? Okay, yeah, we added a clash screen finally. We finally added a clash screen. Yeah, it took us until beta freaking 1.3. Like, I don't know how many betas is that. 1, 2, 3, 4. It took us 4 betas to actually put a clash screen in for some reason. We don't even know why it took so long for us to use a clash screen. Don't bother reading this text. We don't even know what it is. We just took some random text and from we just took text from we asked our employees to write some text for the clash screen, and we just chose a random one without even reading it. So yeah, so just standing there, and that was really all we added in beta 1.3. I know not only did it take so long to actually develop this beta, but this beta version, this beta build or whatever, but it also took us so long to do the demo, and all for just 2 apps that we fixed. And that was how small this beta was, and it took so long to make. We hope to get beta 1.4 out soon, but don't expect that from us because we're lazy asses. So let's just shut down this computer, and I will see you later, whenever that later may be. Hello guys, this is Tota Leenut Allisima here, and we are back with Windows Publication Beta 1.4, and this is our demo of it, so let's begin this. Okay, so we open up the start menu, and you'll notice we added a new shop program and also this button, but we'll get to that button later. First, we're going to go to the shop here. Now, this is our software section, and we also have movies, TV, music, apparently not, and we also have search here. Okay, maybe not, let's go. Okay, I forget about the search. Let's go to the software. We have Vegging Pro and PC Optimizer Pro and Search Protect and Spyverse Sheriff. All these nice programs. We'll get to what happens when you install these later. But that's pretty much it for the shop. Didn't really do that much of it, did we? No. It's actually the second time I did this demo because the first time I forgot to demo the file browser. And also we have page 2. Page 1 and page 2. Page 2 is just a bunch of smaller programs that are in here for fun. I mean, the file browser is kind of important, but yeah. These are all our smaller programs. We have Visual Complex, System Manager, Terminal, Help, and File Browser. So we're going to go to the File Browser first because I forgot to demo that first time. How embarrassing. Windows. This folder sit in. Yes. Program files. There's nothing here. Documents, nothing here. Videos, TV shows. Access denied. Don't know what that happened. Pictures, nothing here. Music, we have this. Access denied, access denied, access denied. You can just listen to these through Windows Media Center. Anyway, now let's demo Help. That shouldn't be there. I don't know why that was there. The search thing doesn't really work. It's not really a search button. We'll fix that in the release. But you can just view the feature topics, which are the only topics we have, by the way. So that search thing is kind of useless anyway. Is made as an instrument? I don't know. How do I make a vanilla cake? Yes, that's nice. Why do I exist? Because the world is a terrible place. Yeah, that's right. Let's go to the terminal. This terminal doesn't really seem to work. You just need to type in this terminal. So I can type in like Windows Poop Edition is the best operating system ever created. Let's get out of that. And system manager, also known as settings. We can go to system. We can do clash or delete system32 or uninstall Windows. Let's try deleting system32. Right there. Display settings. We have 24-bit color and 3-bit color. Don't know why we added this 3-bit color option. We just wanted to. Yeah, you can't really do anything with this, I don't think. And the only resolution is undefined for some reason. Yeah, I can get out of that. Actually, no, we still have storage settings. You only have so much storage. 1 byte free of 420 gigabytes free storage. Would you like to delete all files on drive C? No. Yes, I guess. Okay, there's a byte there. That's good. Well, let's go to personalization. What, you don't like how Windows looks now? As a punishment, your system will not crash. Okay, well, I'm surprised about that. We can just relaunch the system manager. Just relaunch that program. Now, language. We're too cheap to hire any professional translations. So the only languages we have are English and Big Latin, which isn't even a real language, but we just put that in there anyway, because it's like the only quote-unquote language you know how to speak. We have this and error. I don't know. This is an errors. Okay, let's switch back to English so we can do this. Security. Checking for security updates. Security update has found it is ready to be downloaded. Okay. Download in progress. Let's wait for this to be done. Oh, I don't know why there's no error sound for that dialogue, but we'll add it in the release. Congratulations. Don't know why I just opened up terminal. I don't know why I just opened up the terminal. That's another bug we have to fix. This beta is fairly buggy. We kind of rushed this beta, but that'll be fixed in the release. Visual Complex, our final program here. Oh, we're at a program for us. That's nice. Yes. So you can do new open save as, or let's try save it. Actually, let's just make an exe file. There you go, an exe file. Program must be terminated for no reason. Let's try to run a program. Same error. Let's try going to the. Okay, don't know why that happened. Okay, that's all the programs, but except there's a thing that I forgot to demo in beta 1.3. So we have the video editor, we have import media. Can't really do that for some reason. Video effects, inversion. Video clips to apply to ear rape. We have audio effects. We only have one audio effect. It's the only audio effect we think you'll ever need. Transition. Nothing found. Okay. See what happens when we play. Oh, clashes. That's a surprise. That's just something we forgot to demo. And so yeah, that's all the programs. I think I demoed them all. So, but before I go, again, let's just actually, we're not going to download any of these programs. Before I go, I have 3 announcements to make. One is that this is going to be our last demo, this is going to be our last beta version, sorry. This is going to be our last beta version of Windows Pooh Edition. As I hinted several times in this demo, our next version is going to be the release of Windows Pooh Edition. So we're so excited. After 7 months of development, we are almost there to finally release this crappy operating system. And 2, after we do the release of Windows Pooh Edition, we are shifting major development focus to a new CrapOS version. We don't know what this version is going to be. We don't have any plans for it just yet, but it's going to be crappy, so stay tuned for that. And 3rd, this is going to be the last demo I ever do, because when you watch these demos, it just kind of spoils the surprise of what the operating system is going to be like, and we don't want that. So this is going to be our last ever demo of Windows Poop Edition, our last ever surprise spoiling demo. So I won't be doing these demos anymore. Instead, I'll just solely, just work on these operating systems. So those are the announcements now. Let's just shut down our computer.